Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna teach you easy pastry crumble, white chocolate and beetroot soil. So let's do it. And before we start with the crumble, we have to make beetroot reduction.
So I peel a few beetroots and I juice them with a machine. You can probably use store-bought juice if you want to. I will leave full measurements in the description below. I mix juice, sugar and salt in the pot and I will reduce it slowly down to 1/3. And in the meantime I chop my white chocolate. And when the juice is reduced, I add lemon juice and I leave it on the side. To make the crumble, you start by mixing water and sugar and bring it to the temperature around 135 degrees Celsius. At this moment, you take it out from the heat and mix the chocolate in. Before, I already mixed chocolate and beetroot reduction to make it easier. This way, you get a crumble with more colors, so if you want to make it just like a one color, you can add the beetroot juice first, mix it a bit, and then add the chocolate. At the end, you just leave it to cool down and you can use it for your desserts.
And if you want to learn another cool fine dining decoration, check out this video and learn how I can make my parmesan snow at home. Thank you for watching guys and I see you soon.